Hello and welcome back to another trading diaries video. It's Sunday right now. The market hasn't been open today, so I don't really have anything specific trade examples or anything to share with you guys, but I have a few things to share about you guys about like mindset and the reality of trying to succeed in trading. And yeah, today's gonna be a real one because I obviously like trading isn't easy. It's the biggest self-development journey that you can ever go on, like in your life, I feel like, because obviously you can go on like spiritual journeys and things like that, but the thing with trading is like you directly win or lose money based off of your decisions that you make and based off of the mindset that you have. So if you have a scarce mindset, you have to literally you have to crumble that up and like completely get rid of it if you want to succeed in trading. And just you have to like basically rewire yourself as a human being. So trading isn't easy. And then also I'm a bit ambitious. Like I am an ambitious person, and the hard thing when it comes to trading is like I'm so ambitious. Like I'm documenting my whole journey, building a personal brand at the same time as doing trading. Not with I don't want to sell a course or anything. I'm literally just doing it to build a platform because everyone wishes that they had filmed the journey when they succeeded. So I was like, you know what, like I know I'm gonna succeed, so like let me film the journey and have that. And it's also helping me just in general with my journey. But I'm doing that, and then I've also tried all these businesses in the past, and it's like trading is a whole different thing. Like I have to like almost get rid of like my ambitious tendencies. Like I've written lists of all these things that I want to learn, and like just being so ambitious, like I want to learn everything, I want to do everything, I want to trade everything. And trading is just not the profession where you can do that. And if you do that, you're gonna lose. And like what's good is I have the self-awareness to know that like I can't be ambitious, I can't be like a hustler when it comes to trading. Like I can't hustle and work my way through it. I need to be patient and wait for things to come to me and like kind of do that. And you'll be able to see like with the videos that I do and stuff like that, like I do that. Like I do wait for things to come to me, but I want to grind, but there's nothing I can grind. Like I can't grind my way through trading. That's not how it works. And it's a bit difficult. And I work a part-time job, and I also do freelancing on the side. Previous to this I had a social media management agency, and best believe I grinded my way to success with that, and I got it pretty successful, but then it became too much where I couldn't balance trading and doing my agency and working part-time job. It was just too much, and I had way more of a commitment to trading. So I've kind of shifted my agency into like a freelancing thing. But I'm doing that. I have a part-time job, I'm doing trading, I'm obviously growing this channel, but that is just alongside trading. And yeah, it's hard being ambitious because like I feel like there's a lot of people that like I know that there's I don't know if you guys know, but the wizard Liz, like she got hated on a lot for saying that people that work a 9 to 5 are more attached to money than people who don't. But like I don't know, I agree in a way, and not really. I don't like fully agree, but like God, I just don't want to work a job like so bad. And I didn't have to like if I had pursued my agency, but it would have been like I was buying myself a part-time job with the amount of hours that I'm working in. Like I like so badly want to do trading full time and have that be my thing, but gosh, it's a process, and it's not a process that I can rush. And I know that, but it's just like not easy. Like I want to be able to go full time, and I want to be able to move out of home because I still live at home, and I want to be able to do all these things. And it's like almost killing me, and it's like so humbling as well to have to just wait. Like I have to literally just wait. Like I can't just like grind my way. I can't like what I wish I could do is literally just go onto YouTube, learn everything on the internet there is to learn. Market structure, liquidity, trend lines, support and resistance, what else? Wyckoff theory, ICT, fair value gaps, order blocks, breaker blocks, everything. I wish I could learn everything under the sun, just put it on the chart and be like and just know everything that I'm doing. But it's not like that. It takes reps, it takes trials and tribulations, it takes, trying not to overtrade and like all of these different things to actually succeed in it. It's not like you can just learn and succeed. Like growing an agency, you can literally just start a business, register your business, get a social media going, get an email, and just outreach. And you can just do that. Like I did my agency, I got a client in my first week of doing it. And you can literally that's like you can go into it unperfect and succeed like that. Like not like that. Like obviously it comes with trials and tribulations, and I've had like moments where I've like broken down over social media management. But well like over my agency, but like trading is just not like that, which is like something that I'm finding so hard to rewire myself on. So you guys will see like the things that I'm trying to do to like speed up the process without like breaking the process and destroying the process as a whole, because you can't succeed in trading. Like I'm not a profitable, like, successful trader yet. So take what I'm saying with a grain of salt, but I have studied profitable traders, and you'll learn more why I'm studying these profitable traders and understanding like the mistakes that beginner traders go through, specifically so I can succeed fast. But this is what I'm telling you guys this. Take it with a grain of salt. That's all I'm trying to say. But like, you can't succeed by just grinding and hustling your way through, and I'm trying to figure out how I can succeed without doing that, but succeed fast and not go through the same things that other traders do. Like, you'll see in my journaling process and things like that, I'm like reading this is what I'm trialing out. I'm trialing out reading affirmations every day to almost like manifest my way into becoming a profitable trader. But wait, I know that you're like, shut up, like that's not how it works. But wait, I'm also reading out a list of different statistics of profitable traders and different statistics of mistakes that beginner traders make. Like, if you risk more than 1%, you're this more likely to fail. If you take more than one trade a day, you're this likely to fail. If you do this, you're this likely to fail, to kind of support the affirmation. So it's like, I am a profitable I'm a profitable disciplined trader. Traders who aren't disciplined are 80 times more likely to blah 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 blah. Like, I don't know if you're understanding, but I'll post the process that I'm actually doing later on, even today if I have a chance. But yeah, I'm trying all these different things to try and become profitable. And like, coming into this week, I'm going to try and study profitable traders and see what it is that they're doing that is making them profitable, and how I can do that. And like, literally just how I can do that, and like skip the process that beginner traders go through. And that's like how I'm trying to be ambitious. But I'm just trying to express to you guys, like, I know this week is not going to be easy for me, like, when it comes to being ambitious and wanting to hustle and wanting to grind. Like, I'm almost like going to cry thinking about it, because I'm like I just want to be a profitable trader. And like, this is a problem that I knew I was going to face in my trading journey. Like, I knew this was going to be a problem, and that's why I'm trying to do every single preventative measure to make sure it's not a problem, to make sure I don't end up losing that, like, my whole trading account. I could lose, even though I'm risking 1%, I could literally just lose my whole trading account if I don't take this seriously. And yeah, that's really what I'm trying to do. And it's like, I don't want to cry on camera yet, because it's gonna happen, but like, like, it's painful. And it's like, before, when I was trying these business models, it was like every Sunday I could write down a list of things that I'm going to do that is actually going to put me in a better position, and things that are going to launch me forward, as in like, post this many things, reach out to this many people, make this funnel, make this automation. And I can't do that with trading. Like, I can't just do more. Like Alex Hormozy says, like, I can't just do more and have a bigger outcome. I need to do less and do more of the right things, which might take even longer to actually be successful. And that's like the most painful part. It's a process. But yeah, that's like a rant. And I don't know, I feel like I want to make sure that I'm being relatable and not trying to hide things online, because I'm obviously building a presence for myself. And yeah, I have some points of the things that I'm going to be doing moving forward, so I might do 2 different episodes of the trading diaries today, because I feel like this is something individual to actually the notes that I have. But yeah, I don't want to, like, because I'm obviously building a platform for myself and building a name for myself. I'm showing myself my journey on social media, and I want to make sure that I'm being transparent, and I'm not just like, so this is what I'm trying this week. Everything's easy for me. Like, look, I did no trades today. Look how easy it was to be disciplined. Like, oh, I had a winner today. Oh, I had a loss today, but here's what I'm doing to learn. I want to actually show you guys the actual struggles that I'm going through as well. Like, taking no trades a day is hard. It's easy, but it's hard. And it's hard because I have this ambitious tendency, like, not a tendency, but like this grind tendency to like do as much as I can. And it's hard to like sit back and not do that. And it's really overwhelming, because it's like, I'm 19 years old. I don't do university or college, or like, I was the top person in my high school. When I graduated, I got a $500 gift voucher, and I got a what's called an award, a trophy, or whatever it is. Like, I'm a high achiever, and I'm a successful person. But it's really hard because when I left school, I didn't pursue anything education wise. I've been into entrepreneurship from like day dot. As soon as I got before I graduated, before I actually had my ceremony, between having my last day at school and having my graduation ceremony, I got myself an office job, and I was like praised for this office job. I like, not literally praised, but like, a 17-year-old got herself an office job in the city, like a big girl job already before even graduating. And yeah, it was like, as soon as I stepped foot into that job, it was like, I knew that this wasn't for me. And since I stepped foot into that job, it was like, entrepreneurship was for me. And I've literally just been pursuing that since. And it's like, I don't have anything to show for, and it's like, it's really stressful, because it's like, people ask me like, oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm like, oh, I just work in admin. I'm just working in a part-time admin job. And I feel like people think that like, I'm like slacking off, or like I'm not doing anything. And I also don't want to tell people that I'm trading, because it's like, oh, you're trading, how's it going? Oh, I lost $500. Like, can you imagine? I haven't lost $500 yet, but like, I don't want to have to do that, and I don't want that to like sit on my mindset and my psychology. So yeah, I don't know. It's not easy. It's very hard not to grind my way through it, and like the trials and tribulations that traders go through, it's so understandable. And like I don't know, people who aren't going through this journey, like I feel like I have a lot of people who are going through the journey or who are even more experienced than me that watch me. But if you don't trade and if you're sitting on the sidelines and you see traders that are like, I overtraded, I lost this much money, I did this, I did that, but even though I was told not to, it's not easy. Like it's not easy to not do that. And I just want to make it clear. And like these real world issues that you face, like me wanting to have something to show for, me feeling ashamed for not doing anything, these are real world issues that are affecting my trading. And these are real world things that I have to actually go through and develop and get over. And yeah, I feel like that's really it's very hard. And especially doing it at a young age, you're having to face all of the bad things that you are as a person, or all of the faults you have as a person, and do it in training. But anyway, it's a very long rant, and I'm gonna do another episode, so I don't want to overwhelm you guys with all of this stuff and just keep talking because I could yap about this for like 30 minutes. But I just wanted to share a little bit of the raw reality of trying to become a trader. And yeah, I hope someone out there relates, and I hope it hits the right person, even if it's not for like 5 years' time. By the time people see it, like it's okay. Like as long as it helps one person or makes one person feel less alone, then that's great. But anyway, I'm gonna stop now. I hope you guys are having had a great weekend. I hope you guys have a really good start to your trading week. And thank you guys for supporting my journey. Please subscribe and support the journey and follow along. I literally document every single day, and I'm gonna probably have 10 more videos like this telling you guys how hard I'm finding it, just so that people don't feel alone. Yeah, I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll speak to you guys later today or tomorrow. Bye bye.